What's up, guys? Hope you're having a great Thursday. I have a quick update for you guys on the video that I uploaded to the Burbnest YouTube channel yesterday. We took a look at Luna, Atom, FTM, and Ethereum, and we are now getting a pullback. Let's see. I haven't checked Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Yes, Bitcoin is retracing back to the breakout area. Let's add the 420 EMA. Yeah, let's it's below the 420 EMA. I'm just thinking out loud here, but there's definitely a potential for a bounce here in this area. So if Bitcoin can bounce here, the setups that we looked at in the YouTube video from yesterday is looking really, really good. So we have Luna right here coming down to test a 50% level at around 78. So we talked about a potential entry at around the area between 75 and 78, and we are slowly but surely making our way down there right now. We have Atom. So Atom is actually testing the entry area that we looked at yesterday. So that is the 38.5 area. I do expect some type of deeper retrace, not ready to long this just yet, but if you add the long RLC from that low to this high, you will see that the RLC, the local RLC on the lower time frames, is sitting right below entry, and that 618 is in perfect confluence with that entry area. So looking very good for Atom. We got FTM. FTM has some more room to the downside. We got the 4-hour candle closing 1 hour, a strong bullish bearish engulfing right now, and if we do print this, close this as a bearish engulfing, I do see the hit of the area around 2.6 being quite probable. So that would be a fantastic entry for FTM. And then last but not least, we have Ethereum that we looked at yesterday as well, and Ethereum is retesting the breakout area. I do expect some type of a move a little bit lower, perhaps a wick down to the weekly open. The weekly open is at 3,153. So yeah, that's if looking to take these trades, I would advise you to wait for confirmation, right? All right, that's it. Take care.